Welcome to the PayBitoPro Marketing Course. This module will explore how to craft effective emails that capture attention, engage recipients, and drive action. Whether you're writing to inform, persuade, or request something, these steps will help you optimize your emails for maximum impact. Step 1. Define your purpose. Before you start writing, ask yourself what the goal of this email is. Are you informing the recipient, making a request, persuading or selling, or perhaps following up on a previous conversation? A clear purpose ensures your message is structured effectively. Step 2. Write a compelling subject line. Your subject line is the first thing your recipient sees, so make it count. Keep it short, specific, and action-oriented. Avoid spammy words like free or buy now. Instead, use urgency or personalization to boost open rates. For example, a weak subject line might say, "Special offer for you," but a strong one would say, "John, unlock your exclusive 20% discount today." Step 3. Start with a strong opening. Once your email is opened, the first few lines should immediately capture interest. If you're writing formally, start with, "Dear John." For a more casual tone, try, "Hey John, hope you're doing well." You can also reference a connection, such as, "I came across your recent article and found it insightful." Step 4. Keep the body clear and concise. Now, let's talk about clarity. State the main point within the first few lines. Use short paragraphs, bullet points, and personalize the message. For example, if you're writing a sales email, keep it direct. "Hi John, I noticed you run a brokerage business, and I wanted to introduce PayBitoPro, which helps companies increase conversions by 30%. Would you be open to a quick chat to explore how this can work for you?" Step 5. Use eye-catching graphics. Visual appeal matters. If you're designing a marketing email, use high-quality images, branded colors, and well-structured templates. This improves readability and increases engagement. Step 6. Include a clear call to action. Every email should have a purpose, and that purpose should be clear in your call to action. For example, schedule a call here. Reply to this email with your availability. Click here to sign up for free. Make it easy for your recipient to take the next step. Step 7. Close with a polite sign-off. End your email professionally and warmly. You can use, "Best regards, looking forward to your reply. Thanks in advance." And don't forget to include your name, job title, and contact details. Step 8. Proofread before sending. Before hitting send, take a moment to check your email for spelling and grammar errors. Ensure that all links work, and read the email aloud to ensure clarity. Bonus tips for higher engagement. Want to make your emails even more effective? Follow these extra tips. Personalize messages instead of using generic templates. Keep language simple and avoid jargon. Test different subject lines to see what works best. Follow up if you don't get a response within a few days. By following these steps, you'll be able to craft emails that not only get opened, but also drive action. Stay tuned for more marketing insights in the PayBitoPro Marketing Course.